Okay, I have been asked several times to do something about helping you create better outlines. Quite frankly, some of the outlines that people turn in on that first speech are just not so pretty. So we're going to go through and do a quick discussion on how to create outlines using Word, and I'm also going to show you how to use Google Docs, okay? So first, in Microsoft Word, let me just link that here. Notice what I've got already on this page, okay? Your name, my name, I know that looks funny, the course, and then the date. This is standard MLA format, okay? Up at the top, you click in the top section here, Control R to get to the right, and we're going to have our header, which is always your last name, and then space, and then you're going to insert your page number, and I have to, right over here where it says page number, I'm going to say top of page, current position, right there. Current position, just the number. And that way, no matter how many pages you go, it's always going to have the right number. Now, on the first speech, you don't have to turn in a works cited, so it's not as important. But on your next speeches, you're going to have a works cited, which is going to be the second page. You're only going to have 2 pages here. So, okay, then you have to have your outline in the center, and then we're going to start with our outline. Now, take a look up here. See this? It says 1, 2, 3. It's a numbered list. You're going to go with this one, okay? This one right here will give you your outlines. See, look at that. It automatically did it. I'm going to say point, or this is your intro, right? Introduction. And notice it automatically went to 2, but if I hit tab, I'm hitting tab, there you go, your letters. So I'm going to say point 1, 2, thesis statement. Don't forget your thesis statement. We're going to talk about that central idea, thesis statement, same thing. And then what if I want to go back to 2? Well, up here at the top, right there, look at that. First point. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, so that's how you do it in Microsoft Word. All right, so let's go back here. Now let's talk about in Google Docs. One, if you go into Google Docs, you can do all of the same stuff online, okay? But you have to have a Google email to log in. It's either a live email or a Gmail. And I've already started taking us to this spot right here. Okay, look at all this wonderful stuff that they give you online that you can use. I'm going to go start with a new blank document. I'm going to say blank. By the way, they also have, if you look over at this multiple thing, you can also do right here sheets. That's your Excel documents, Hangouts, Blogger, all these wonderful things. And where is Slides? That's your Google version of PowerPoint, okay? So anyway, I'm going to go back to start a new document. And the same thing. I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put, notice it doesn't automatically do the spacing. I'm just going to type date and then Control E title. Oops. Control E does not do the same thing in here, does it? No, it takes you up to the top. Okay, so we're going to show you that part in a minute. We'll go center, and that's where your title is. Nope, that doesn't take you to the right places either. So let's go back to left. And now, once again, I'm going to come up here to the numbered list. And I'm going to choose this one, Roman numerals. So we've got introduction. I'm going to tab to do point 1. You get the idea. Now, how do you do header on here? Same thing. Okay. And you come over here to write justify. And type your last name. And your page number, insert, where is the page number on this? Notice I haven't played with this one much, but that's okay. I'm going to say, page numbers right there. Automatic. Now, how do you deal with the spacing issue? Because you know, in MLA, it's supposed to be double spaced, but I'm going to tell you right now, your outlines should always be one page. So if you have to mess with spacing, do it. But for now, we're going to do it this way. Notice I highlighted everything. Oh, right click doesn't do as much on here. So it doesn't do anything with that. So let's look at format, paragraph styles. No text. Line and paragraph spacing. I'm going to do 1.5 just in case my little outline here gets long. That's how you do it. Okay. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a works cited, because quite frankly, that's where many people need a lot of assistance. Hopefully this has helped a little bit just to make things a little bit easier. Oh, let's go back to remember our little thing here. There we go, point 2. So hopefully this will help a little bit. Good luck with it. I'm sure you're going to be just fine.